here by the piano on a Wednesday afternoon. As I walk and singing solo, I wish I was singing with you, because you're stuck in my head like the song that just won't leave. Could you do me this one favor? Could you come and sing with me? I'm talking about you, the melody, me, the harmony, just to fun and sing. I'm talking about parallel thirds and singing those words we know. So I love this song was made for two, and if I can't sing with you, then I'd rather not sing it too. The kind got a dust, and I guess you'll just be stuck in my head. But instead, come and sing the song with me. Every day to Sunday, I go dancing on my own way. I am trying not to wonder if you still know how it goes. 'Cause when I dance round the kitchen and play the tunes out loud, then you're still stuck here in my head, and I cannot get you out. I'm talking about hips on movie feet on the roof of the beat just to find and dance. I'm talking about silly and cars and things till we drive and go.